ET Now's SME Caravan will now make its way to Bhiwadi in Rajasthan to explore a company that makes over 100 different kinds of surgical blades. Being one of the largest blade manufacturers in the world, this company today enjoys a strong global presence. Take a look. ET Now's SME Caravan set out to Bhiwadi in Rajasthan to explore Paramount Surgimed, a company that aids surgeons around the world with its high-quality surgical blades, dental blades, ophthalmic knives, scalpels, etc.
In the blades, we produce almost like 127 kind of blades, which covers almost all the industry wherever the blades are required in healthcare section. We manufacture carbon steel blade and stainless steel blade. In diapers, we are the first company to produce adult diaper in India, and now followed with the underpads. We are again the first company in India who is going to produce the underpads.
Paramount Surgimed is a professionally managed company led by its CEO Abhay Kumar. Under his guidance, the company manufactures over 5 million blades every month and plans to increase capacity to 7 million in the next 6 months. Constantly creating new products, Paramount exports 97% of its output to Europe, America, Australia and Southeast Asia.
मार्केट में रिसेंटली जो है रिट्रैक्टेबल सेफ्टी स्कैल्पल आया है, जिसके लिए हमने अभी खुद अपना एक डिज़ाइन जो है बनाया है, जो कि एक यूनिवर्सल डिज़ाइन है। और इसके अंदर जो डॉक्टर है, जो सर्जन है, वो लेफ्ट हैंड हो चाहे राइट हैंड ऑपरेटिंग हो, दोनों के लिए वो एक यूनिफॉर्म शेप में डिज़ाइन किया हुआ है।
We want to expand further into hygiene section, and into that, we are adding another plant for underpads. So it keeps the hygiene on the bed in the hospital. So that is the next project, and then we will be moving into further hygiene products.
Ever since its inception in 1994, Paramount Surgimed has kept a strong commitment towards quality. The company uses the best raw material from Sweden and Switzerland, sterilizes all its products using gamma radiation, and follows American as well as European safety standards along with the latest ISO norms.
As far as the quality is concerned, we produce as good and as best product in terms of quality wise, which can be produced anywhere in the world. And that's why we're producing OEM for more than 50 international companies. So quality wise, we are on the top line product. And as far as the acceptance is concerned, we are one of the leading blade manufacturing companies. Though this market is very small, but we are one of the leading. You go anywhere in the world, people knows Paramount.
And within India, what's your share like?
The Indian market is only limited to carbon steel. So when we say share about it could be numbers are very high in India, but in terms of value wise, it is a very small market. It is still using the carbon steel and product which are the cheapest product. So we are still a leader in India, but this market is very small.
How tough is international competition? Is China a big threat like it is in most other products?
China is always a big threat. The reason is that they have not only the product wise they are cheaper, but they have a lot of support from their own government. I mean, they get a lot of incentive when they export. They get the raw material at the cheaper prices. They get the buildings at the cheaper prices. They get the banking loans at the cheaper prices. So they have all the advantages on us. But still, because of the quality which we are producing, we are able to score on that in the market where the quality products are required.
So what's your branding and marketing strategy like?
When it comes to international market, normally when we promote our product through our distributor channel, it goes to different hospitals and consistently. For example, in last 2 years, we become a brand leader in our section in South Africa. And we have competed with one of the number one and the oldest surgical blade brand, Swan Martin from England. So we are continuously working with our local partner in different countries and promoting through the different hospitals.
What's your biggest challenge today?
The technological upgradation is the biggest challenge. And it is we are a small company. We are not a very big company. So if we have to do a technological upgradation, we need to bring the new machines as per the, what is happening worldwide. And to bring those machines, we need a lot of capital.
Overcoming every challenge, Paramount Surgimed has achieved an annual turnover of 57 crore rupees. Its 200 employees are today taking the company to newer heights and making it a global name in the surgical equipment space.
Paramount Surgimed, I really like that you're the largest blade manufacturer in amongst medical devices in the world. I also like the innovativeness in bringing new products like OSIM and adult diapers to India. In terms of fighting competition, from Chinese competitors, my advice to you would be that you have to build volumes and scale, and that is the only real way to fight this competition.
Well, those valuable tips from Niren Shah, our SME doctor, should help Paramount Surgimed with its growth plans. Let's now make our way down south to Chennai, the city that's well known for its healthcare services. We'll explore a company that offers all kinds of surgical dressing concepts. ET Now's SME caravan traveled to Chennai, the city with 45% of the total medical tourists in India. This has led to a boom of medical and surgical equipment companies in the city. One of them is UCare Pharmaceuticals, established in 1996 by S. Sridharan and his wife Santa Kamakshi.
The finance part was the most difficult part. We did travel through a very tough time, but still we overcome that.
UCare is driven by technology and supported by strong research and development. And its focus has always been on manufacturing international quality products for its customers. The company manufactures a wide range of collagen and non-collagen based dressing concepts like membranes, sheets, sponges, gels, hydrocolloids, etc.
We are a biopharmaceutical company. Collagen-like biomaterials we are extracting from animal tissues, purifying, reconstituting, sterilizing and packing it. The entire operations are done in a clean and aseptic conditions.
UCare Pharmaceuticals has a manufacturing unit spread over 15,000 square feet, and the company has achieved an annual turnover of 30 crore rupees. It is equipped with all the modern technologies like air handling systems, electric control panels, etc. The infrastructure of the company is divided into a life clean room, quality assurance lab, packing area, etc., so as to allow a smooth flow of operations.
I'm basically a polymer technologist by qualification and also an experience. I had a long stint with multinational corporations in the country, and I was in the polymer field. So I was looking for projects. I wanted to become an entrepreneur. I had a long urge for that. So I was looking for many projects. So one of the projects was looking very interesting, and there was primarily a healthcare opportunity. And I took up that particular opportunity with the support of my industrialist friend actually. And so I joined with one more person, and then that is how the idea was generated into a project.
What's your product range like? What are you currently focusing on?
We have a focus on the burn segment, burn care areas, and we have branched out to the wound care, and subsequently the surgical hemostasis and the entire gamut of the dental regeneration products.
What would you say is the differentiating factor of UCare Pharmaceuticals?
We are an R&D based organization, and we use the most advanced technologies. That is the USP of our company.
Do you think SMEs have a good scope for growth in this sector, especially because it's ruled by multinational companies?
If you have a good technology backup, then if you are aggressive, and if you are prudent, if you have a prudent financial management, I'm sure you will be able to manage the MNCs.
Are you into domestic sales only, or are you into exports as well?
In fact, we have a pan-India sales operations here in India, and also right from day one we have been exporting our products abroad.
And which are the countries that you're currently exporting to?
We are primarily into the European Union and the Asia and Southeast Asia, and also we have now gone to the African countries.
Are you looking to tap some new markets in the near future?
Yes, of course, we are getting into the Latin American countries, which has got a lot of opportunities for our products. Then we are also getting into the Russian CIS countries. And yes, of course, we have a dream to get into the US market as well.
UCare aims to strengthen its long-term partnerships with established global players for technical collaboration, marketing tie-ups and private labeling. It already exports to the European Union, Western Africa and Asia and is now planning capacity expansion for both India and the global markets.
UK Pharma, I really like that you're in this advanced burn and wound management space, which is very attractive and growing quickly. You all have also grown at a healthy pace over the last few years. One area where you should kind of consider my advice would be that for exporting, right, make sure that you focus on certain geographies and don't try to export to every country because regulatory approvals are difficult and expensive to get.